video, I'll talk about top 7 best gradient websites that you can use for your presentations or anything else. I have also given the links in the description, and these are the best for graphic designers. So, the number one is Design Gradients. So, this is what this website looks like, and it have about 48 linear gradients which are curated by best of designers, and there is a variety of gradients to choose from. And as you can see, there are different colors with the same linear designs that you can choose from. And when you go on top from this option, you can also check out the dark mode to switch to the dark mode to check if your gradients align with the dark mode. From here, you can copy the color codes as well, and this is really important and useful when making a graphic design. So this way you can add this color code in your like template or anything else, and you can use these same gradients. Number two is Grabient. And so this is what this website looks like, and it has a lot of beautiful and aesthetic gradients to choose from. And moving to the second, fourth, fifth, and third of the pages, you can find different gradients to choose from. All of them have different colors, and from this button, you can just click on the color and you can copy the color code from here. Plus, there is an additional thing that is my most favorite, that you can add a new color from this plus option, and from here you can check out new colors that can align with this gradient. You can check if these of the colors are suitable to use along with the main original of the gradient. Plus, you can copy the color code or the CSS from here, and you can also rotate the gradient of in this pattern from this option. So I would recommend this website called Grabient because it is the best website. And from this option, you can also navigate the color gradients or make or adjust the colors where you want to put them in more area or less area. Number three is a gradient. It's this type of website, and it also have premium and a free gradient, so you can get a new and really nice gradients that are very unique, and you can click on them, something like this. Then it will open up a page which shows the larger screen. You can copy the color code from here to paste on your template or to use in any of your shapes and any of your platforms. Plus, you can download the PNG as well. Uh, you can scroll down to find more of the similar of the gradients of what you have opened. So this one is a really nice website too. Moving to the next, the fourth is Coolers. So this is coolers.com, and from here you can either make a palette of or random palette or explore the trending palettes. And you can then copy their links or color codes and then embed them in your own shapes and templates. So let's just click on explore, and from here it will take you to a page on which you can find a lot of gradients, and you can click on any color and the color code will get copied by itself. You can click on these three dots, and then what you're going to do is click on quick view, and from here you can see a more broader and wider view of the colors, and you can copy them as well. Now let's move back to our page, and from here you can also like this and save the palettes. And next you're going to go to three dots, and from here we're going to go click on view full screen, and from here we can see the entire palette on our page more beautifully. You can also go to search options, and from here you can search for different colors, styles, topics, and order if you want it to be in the trending, or you want the latest to be on top, or you want the other popular to be on top. So for example, let's just search for aesthetic, and as you can see, I have gotten a lot of minimal and pastel color palettes that align with aesthetic. Number five is Web Gradients, and it is a really perfect website which you can use to choose very nice gradients. And this website is one of my favorites because from here you can get the aesthetic and pastel color gradients free of cost. You can also subscribe in this website. So from here, you can just click on copy CSS and it will show you that you have copied the link. And you can also download the PNG of the gradient so that you can later use eyedropper in your any of the platform to like edit it or add the same gradient in your color templates. Next, what we're gonna do is scroll down to get more new of the color palettes. Number six is UI gradients. This is also one of my favorite websites because you can just go and open up a wider view of the gradient, and this website has loads of gradients. You can move to the next side to get more new gradients and to get a variety of different gradients. So you can get more colors, but if you want to customize the colors to your own favorite color, like purple or red, so all you have to do is just go to this option, show all gradients, and we're going to go move to the top. And from here, we can choose from a variety of 10 colors. And these are all the colors that you'll ever need. You can just click on any of the color shade you want to be in your gradient. And then you can click on any of the gradient from there and click on this color code and it will get copied by itself. You don't have to click on Control C and it will get copied by itself. From here, you can add an gradient on it to check out if it aligns with another color. And from this option, what you do is rotate this gradient in other directions, linear, radial, or rectangular or path. And from this option, you can copy the CSS code. Number seven is My Color Space. This is honestly my favorite website from where you can get any of the gradients from your own choice. So, as it is written, never waste hours on finding the perfect color. And this is initially really true because whatever you need, you just have to insert your color that you want to use in your gradient. We're going to click on this gradient option. From here, we will see two colors. We're just going to customize them and use two of our like preferable colors that we want to use in our gradient. But be sure to use such gradient colors that align perfectly. So it will give you a similar when you click on generate, you can also copy the CSS code from this below and you can click on three color gradient to get three color gradient and you can also change the direction of the color palette as well. So as you see, this is just a perfect need for any graphic designer to use gradient from here. I will give the links to all of these websites in the description below. You can check out them and you can use them for free. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video soon.